In this video, we're going to look at how we can use the probability trees to calculate the probability of specific events happening and another event happening at the same time. So keyword there being and. A survey reported on what soda people prefer. Of those who prefer Coke, 24% prefer regular, and of those who prefer Pepsi, 30% prefer diet. So here is our tree. We have 0.64 prefers Coke, and remember that 0.64 is going to be then 64%. Go back up for it. This is 64%. And then it looks like 36 prefer Pepsi. 0.36 is written. So we have some more information to put on our table as well. It says, of those who prefer Coke, so I'm going to go to the prefers Coke branch of the tree, 24% prefer regular. So then over here on this branch, this prefers regular, I'm going to put 24%, which I'm going to go ahead and then write as a decimal. That'll be 0.24 on that branch. And then of those who prefer Pepsi, 30% prefer diet. So I'm going to go to the prefer Pepsis and then prefer diet. So 30%, which is 0.30. Okay, so now I want to find the two missing pieces here. Well, remember, this is something that I mentioned in the last video, is that this in total needs to equal 100. So 24% plus what will equal 100? And the answers to that would be 76%. So I'm going to write 0.76 here. And then the same thing is true down here, where these two branches, because they come from the same part of the tree that's prefer Pepsis, this also needs to equal 100. So 30% plus what will equal 100? 70%, which is 0.70. Right, this is 70%. Okay. So the first question that we want to do is find the probability that someone prefers Coke and prefers diet. So the probability that someone prefers Coke is 64%. So this is, oops, lost my spot. This is 0.64. Now I see the word and. If you remember in probability, and means to multiply. Now I want the probability that someone prefers diet. So if I go into the Coke part of the tree, Coke, 76% prefer diet. So I'm going to multiply by 0.76. So I can go ahead and go to Desmos and do 0.64 times 0.76. That's going to equal 0.4864. 0.4864. That's the probability that someone prefers both Coke and prefers Pepsi. What about the probability someone prefers Coke and prefers diet? What about the probability that someone prefers Pepsi and prefers regular? Well, again, the probability that someone prefers Pepsi is this 36%, right? This is 0.36. So I'm going to do 0.36. I see the word and, so I'm going to think multiply. And then I'm going to go to the Pepsi part of the tree. The probability that someone prefers regular is 70%. So 0.70. And I'm going to multiply those together. 0.36 times 0.70. 0.252. And that's how we use a probability tree to calculate the probability of two events being multiplied together. So event A and event B.